Alright, I'm going to show you how I clean my composite deck. Now you want to be careful with like the chemicals and stuff you use on here. They do make a composite or a couple composite deck cleaners, but we all know Dawn is gentle on grease. So it's just a tiny bit of Dawn I got in here, and like over the winter, you know, I'm not going to wring it out or anything because I'm going to spray it off. Over the winter, you see how it's a little brown in some spots and stuff. I sprayed it off to get it all wet first, but just a little Dawn and a little elbow grease. And look at that. It's all clean. So you ain't got to go spend all that money on some expensive chemicals. You just get you a little Dawn and put a little elbow grease into it and rinse it off real good. Don't put too much Dawn, just a little. And then you just rinse it off real good. I'm gonna do the whole thing, I'm just showing y'all. In this kind of deck, you never have to paint or anything. It'll stay this color forever. Won't fade or crack or anything. Looks like a lifetime deck here. But you do want to keep it clean, but there you go. Then it'll just dry in the sun. It's all clean. So now I gotta do all of it. Alright, see, it's dirty. Alright, but y'all have a good day. Bye.